Let's talk about a huge headache for leaders: internal operational chaos, and more importantly, how to fix it.
Sound familiar? That daily scramble of calls, emails, and missed messages, creating total chaos.
And you know, this isn't just messy. It costs you time, frustrates your teams, and you're left with zero data. But what if you could replace all that noise with a single, trackable digital workflow?
That's exactly what SFDP Service Request does. It's all about bringing total accountability to your ops.
And let's be clear, this is not some heavy, complex IT platform. It's a practical discipline tool.
Okay, so how's it work? It turns any simple request into a resolved and fully auditable action.
It's a simple 4-step process: raised, assigned, in progress, and resolved. Ambiguity? Gone. Now, the secret sauce that makes this all work: configurable service teams. This is what guarantees clear ownership.
You just map a request category to a team, and boom, nothing falls through the cracks, ever again.
And get this, resolved isn't just about ticking a box. The system actually demands proof.
This evidence creates a verifiable record, which means you're always audit ready, no last-minute scrambles.
So what's in it for you, the decision maker? Well, you get a powerful, top-down view of everything.
It means you can finally stop chasing people for updates. You get instant visibility into it all.
So the bottom line is clear accountability. And all that operational noise, it becomes valuable data.
This is a game changer for high-demand places, like manufacturing plants, warehouses, or large offices.
Plus, for governance, every single action is time-stamped and user-linked, creating a perfect audit trail.
To put it simply, it turns messy complaints into structured, accountable, and auditable actions.
So, the real question is, are you ready to turn that noise into insight? Imagine what your teams could do.
If the answer is yes, it's time to take the next step. Let's bring that structure back.
Just visit our website or give us a call. The numbers are right there on your screen.